Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky appliance fixes in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into the world of Miele dishwashers and tackling error code F79 on the 2025 models. If your dishwasher is flashing this code, don't panic. It's often something you can fix at home with a few basic tools and some patience. Let's get started. First off, what does error code F79 mean? In Miele dishwashers, this code typically signals an issue with the water inlet system. It could be a blockage, a faulty sensor, or even a problem with the water supply. The good news is that many cases are due to simple clogs or minor faults that you can resolve yourself. Before we jump in, safety first. Always unplug your dishwasher from the power source to avoid any electrical hazards. Once that's done, let's go through the steps to fix it. Step 1. Check the water inlet hose. Look for any kinks, blockages, or leaks. Straighten it out if needed and ensure it's securely connected to both the dishwasher and the water supply. Step 2. Inspect and clean the filters. Miele dishwashers have filters at the bottom that can get clogged with food debris. Remove them, rinse under warm water, and make sure they're completely dry before putting them back. Step 3. Reset the machine. Sometimes, a simple reset does the trick. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds, or unplug the unit for a few minutes and plug it back in. Run a short cycle to see if the error clears. If these steps don't work, it might be a more serious issue like a defective sensor or pump. In that case, it's time to call a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. There you have it, your quick guide to fixing Miele dishwasher error code F79. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these errors in the future, so keep an eye on your appliance. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.